Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. Thank you for keeping up with me on this series, Understanding Your Personal Transformation. This is an inner game, it's an inner work that you do, and then it shows up on the outside. It's important that we clear our inner baggage in order to carry the gifts that are showing up, in order to carry the abilities, because these abilities demand a whole individual. You can't be looking for answers from outside when the gift is developing inside. Some of the baggage that we carry around is unforgiveness. We carry around envy, jealousy, codependence. And codependence is a real critical one, because when we are born, we are dependent on our parents for many years. So codependence is almost like a natural thing that is trained within us. But then at some point, when you become an adult, that codependence has to transform to interdependent. We are not islands. Yes, we will be with people and communicate and interact, but it has to be from a healthy, whole place. A place whereby if so and so is not around, you cannot function. You have to have found strength within you to heal all those wounds of thinking that all your help comes from outside of you. No, you come into earth as a whole being, with fully equipped with everything you'll need in this lifetime. Just look at nature. If you find a seed of any plant, within the seed it has a whole forest. It has everything it needs to grow and become, the tree, the forest, the whatever it is. So as we come in, yes, we may not be seed anymore. We may come in as babies and everything. We are fully equipped. So this codependency starts from an early stage, but it has to transform. Because if you can't stand alone, when the gifts start to unfold, you will crumble. You will be thinking that, first of all, if people don't give you praise, you may not be able to be active, because someone gave you a critique. Then if someone praises you, maybe you'll get too excited, meaning you only function when someone is praising you. But with the gift, it's neutral. You should be able to operate in your gifts, in your giftings, naturally, truthfully, authentically, because you're divinely supported in being your authentic self, not the fake self, the authentic self. And it doesn't matter whether people like it or you don't, or people don't. For as long as you're operating authentically, life will bring the people who are willing to receive your gifts, who are willing to heal from the gifts. They'll move far and wide across borders just to find you, to interact with your gifts. So that means you're required to be balanced in all ways. You can't just be balanced in one way, but then supposing your gifting is out there, you're functioning well, but you're very unkind, very impatient. It doesn't work. So you'll have to develop patience. Some of the baggage we have, I think, there is greed. There is, of course, I mentioned impatience. there is lack of tolerance for others. So all these things, we work through them, and as we get stronger and better, everything starts to balance. So you'll be a whole balanced individual as part of this personal transformation. It's purely an inner game, and you have the ability, So as areas of your life start to show up, for example, rejection, abandonment is also a big one. For example, if you are a child and your parents never wanted to have you, you'll always have this sense of abandonment. But we have to remember, God himself, who predestined your future, has something planned out for you, and it's good. It's very good. So we have to transcend our thinking from just the natural day-to-day things, and we really pull ourselves to think higher thoughts, to think in terms of the big picture, thinking in terms of you being a piece of the puzzle of the bigger picture, not only of your family, So if God thinks you're fit to be here, well, you are fit to be here. You carry a miracle, you carry a gift and a talent, you are capable of sharing that gifts and talents to bless others, and in the process, as you bless others, you get blessed too. Well, I hope this helps. It's Mother Ego again. I'll talk to you soon. If you want to check out some of my books, visit motheregoinspires.com. As always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.